stop at the Agua Portimao shopping center, and this is where we're eating. We're right now in the food court. It's 3 stories, including the food court. Lots of shopping. Lots of stuff going on. Very pretty. It's partially outdoor and partially indoor, which is pretty cool. And there's lots of food that you can eat. They got milkshakes over here. Mexican. They have empanadas. Korean barbecue. Let's see. They have Black Angus meat. They did have McDonald's and Taco Bell. We're enjoying them all. There's this little I love boba. I do, but I like it like a slushie with the boba at the bottom. Enjoying our time in Lagos. This is outside of Lagos. It's about 25 minutes from Lagos Central, which wasn't bad. We came out here looking for a book, but I haven't found it yet. So here's hoping. But very beautiful. We got a few more days. I think we have 3 more days left, and we're back home. Can't wait to come back. So we got food from Noah, and this is what I got. I got shrimp and pasta. There's the Noah. And I got freshly squeezed lemonade, but it looks very delicious. Ma got salmon.
This is very good.
It looks very good.
Yummy, yummy.
Yummy yummies. And Sprite. Yep. Buonissimo. All right, let's try. Let's see how this tastes. Very good. Yummy. Try the shrimp. Maddie's not gonna get none. David got chicken, rice and beans, and French fries, his usual, and Queens.
But they also have the piri piri, which is the hot sauce.
Oh, he liked that.
I like the hot sauce from here. It's super hot, but they barbecued it right there on the spot. Like, it's fast food, but not fast food, which is crazy because they even had like charcoal and everything, wood, that they were barbecuing. So
Nice.
And I got
awesome.
some ice cream.
Oh, and Maddie got some ice cream. Ooh, is it good?
Yeah.
What flavor did you get?
Strawberry.
Does Daddy like it? It's good?
it's really good. 10 euros. Can't go wrong.
Yeah, I don't remember how. I think I paid $30 for Mom's and mine.
Delicious food my mom bought me.
Mom got spaghetti and shrimp. Maddie's gonna try it.
I'm gonna try it and see if it's
From
good.
Noah. Oh, there we go. I'm trying to multitask. Feed Maddie and do the camera. Is it?
Good.
It's really good. You want to try one of the shrimps? All right. In the camera. There you go.
That's good.
Buonissimo. How do you say? Very good in
Muito bom.
Yummy?
Portuguese. We gotta figure that out.
Okay, let's eat.
Okay, let's go in the food.
With our bellies full, it's time to get our shopping on. Walking around the mall. Very beautiful mall. Natura store I bought 2 dresses at. I wish they had that store in the United States. We had a lot of fun, stayed dry through the rain, and when it was all said and done, we came away with some amazing finds. What a great way to spend the day. Thanks for watching. Check out my other videos. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.